Please notice that if I minimize my grasshopper and I look at the new object, this is completely hollow. In order to make it a closed B-rep, a closed solid, we can go to Surface, Utility, and there we find Cap Holes. Now we can connect this one and it is completely solid. We can hide both of them, go to Display, Preview, and connect a beautiful param color and paint your new cylinder. So one more time. From here, we extrude, we can change the direction, down, up, extrude, cap the top and the bottom hole, and paint it. As simple as that.